them it's murder. Murder was the case, and they blame me. Officer, I didn't do it, you can't blame me for this. Could you please loosen up the handcuffs on my wrist? You can call me what you wanna, man, but I ain't a snitch. No cooperation, it's exactly what you would get. Till I talk to my lawyer, you get no reply. You've obviously been watching too much CSI. I'm not a crash dummy, so don't even try to talk your dirty trash to me. No BFI. You were not guilty of anything, then why did you run? Cause you the police, and first I saw you cocking your gun. And the chamber wasn't empty, it was obviously one. If you think I'm believing that one, then you're obviously dumb. I know that you heard the sirens, you dived into the vehicle you was driving and riding. Instead you shouldn't be whining, but abiding by the law. No, it's obvious that you're lying.
With so much drama in the industry, hip-hop police are listening. Be careful of your history. Looks like another unsolved mystery. It's murder, it's murder, yeah, it's murder.
Somebody tell them it's murder. Murder was the case, and they blame. Stop lying to me, boy. We best you confess. I can smell a BS on the scent of your breath. Saw the meth while I was inspecting your deck. Saw that you was riding dirty when I looked at the rest. Who is the Sky Buster? Who is the Sky Snoop? Who is his other friend who's wearing the sky blue? Look at this pic here, who's standing beside you. Tell me his name now, I heard he was Pyro. Confiscated the CDs at one of your homes for evidence ever since we heard some of your songs. What about this pimp guy? He was on one of your songs. I could've sworn that he said he had a pocket full of stones. Am I wrong? Hell yeah, I don't know who that is. I don't know no Pimp C. All I know is I'm rich and I'm a born like James. Bet I be out here quick, man. You ain't getting out of here. You must think that you slip. In the car we confiscated the chronic and the clips, diary that you had and all your blueprints. On the death row booklet we found your two prints. Your thumb and your index. The judge will love this.
With so much drama in the industry, hip-hop police are listening. Be careful of your history. Looks like another unsolved mystery. It's murder.
It's a bloody murder.
It's murder.
It's a bloody murder.
Yeah, it's murder.
It's a bloody murder.
Somebody tell them it's murder. Murder was the case, and they blame me. Now you can see you're screwed as the evidence pours in. The witness to the crime was at 3 in the morning. Gave us a description, so we pick up your boy, and you'll get a lighter sentence if you put the crime on him.
A big celebrity, a case we long for. You a pirate? Why you got that eye patch on for? Funny. Putting people in a hearse, what I heard from. Where were you the night of April 21st, son? Home? I think you got your facts wrong. Gats on you, Chamillionaire, Rock, Shut, couple cats on Melview. What? We're gonna have to jail you two. In the lineup, don't speak until we tell you to. This the person who Jim your lock, sir? Was dark, kinda look like him, I'm not sure. Failing to nail, cause assailant's another. Leave I see an unmarked tail in the brother. Hit the bodega, not no more game. This chick used to be nice, acting all strange. Like she was gonna get it, pathetic. Assailant caught, now they all apologetic.
With so much drama in the industry, hip-hop police are listening. Be careful or you'll be history. Looks like another unsolved mystery. It's murder, murder, murder. It's murder, murder, murder. Yeah, it's murder, murder, murder.
Somebody tell them it's murder. Murder was the case, and they blame me.